Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to set up the Nurser 3 from HortiPower. For this you will need scissors to cut away some of the tape in the box. I used a knife, but you should really use scissors, it's much safer. And if you want to install these lights on a surface, like a wall or a ceiling, you will also need a screwdriver. Here are the 4 lights that come in the package. These are 45 cm long, but HortiPower has even longer ones. Don't forget to take off the plastic wrap that is around each light. Okay, now each light has an output, as you can see here, and an input on the other side. This makes it possible to connect them with each other like this, which we will need to do in the video later on. Now, in the rectangular box are these power cables, and all the way at the bottom is a small bag with components, some of which we will need immediately. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the bag out, but in the end it should look like this. Now use your scissors, not knife, to cut away the tape from this flat box. Put away the cardboard wherever you please. And inside you will find the frames where we will insert the lights in later on. Now grab the small component bag and retrieve from it 2 of these rails looking things. And also 2 of these small half circle clippers. Also, in the bag, you will find this double-sided tape, which you can use to stick your lights to a ceiling, in case you don't feel like using screws, which is a nice little addition. At the end of the video, I will show you how to use these, but for now, just grab the rails and the clippers. Grab a frame and firmly insert the triangles in the slides at the bottom. Now repeat this for the other frame. It might go a little bit rough, but just make sure that they're very secure. Now attach 2 lights to each other and insert them into the frame like this. Attach the rails on the top in the middle to make sure the lights hold securely. And for good measure, attach the clipper on the bottom in the middle where the lights are attached to each other as well. Now repeat this step for the second light as well. I made a little mistake here as I forgot to securely clip the rails on the second light, but you should definitely do this. Make sure that one of the lights is sticking out with an input and the other with an output. This is so we can connect the lights with each other through the connector cable. Simply connect them with each other like this. Here you see me clip on the rails, but you should have done this before. As the saying goes, do as I say, not as I do. Now you can just attach the power cable to the other side and voila! These little plants are very happy they're finally getting some light. Now I will quickly show you how you can attach the lights to a ceiling, in case you want to do this as well. Simply grab 2 double-sided tapes from the components bag and stick one on each end of the light. Make sure to stick the tape on properly and also make sure to wipe off or clean the surface on which you're going to stick the lights to make sure that they stick longer. Simply put in the power cable and you can turn it on. By using the double-sided tape or screws, you can attach the lights to any surface you want, finally making use of that empty closet space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, or if it was of any help to you, please make sure to drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one.